Galaxy Z Fold 6's front design revealed. Compared to Fold 5 over the past few weeks, we've seen a series of images showcasing various parts of Samsung's upcoming book-style foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. From the symmetrical bezels of the cover screen and sharper corners to the redesigned camera rings, we have seen the device in multiple pieces. Today, we finally get our first hands-on look at the complete device, thanks to a live photo from the same source. The tech world has been abuzz with anticipation as Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event draws nearer. Leaks and rumors about the new foldables have been steadily building excitement. A reputed tipster who goes by the name Ice Universe on X has been sharing tidbits about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for a while now. They recently posted a full image of the device on the microblogging platform, revealing its front design. As rumored all this while, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a wider cover screen. Its aspect ratio is now closer to a regular smartphone screen. The Fold 5e's cover display is a little too tall, affecting the typing experience. Widening the phone has also allowed Samsung to reduce the top and bottom bezels without making the screen taller. The new Fold's cover display has thinner and symmetrical bezels on all four sides. Additionally, the upcoming foldable has sharper corners and flatter edges. At a glance, it looks like a taller Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung is going for a design consistency here. That said, the company has yet to bring its bumpless camera layout to the Fold series. It remains the only Galaxy device with a camera housing. The new ridged camera rings also deviate from the current design and look worse than the original ones. All leaks point to an unchanged camera system on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While Samsung may have improved its camera system, unchanged hardware means we may not see massive improvements in image quality. The new Fold may get a noticeable display upgrade though. The company has reportedly thickened the UTG ultra-thin glass panel to reduce the crease and make the screen more scratch-resistant. Titanium is coming to Samsung's foldables after the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 may be the next Samsung phone to feature a titanium frame. The company will reportedly use the same grade of titanium on the upcoming foldable. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, which is rumored to feature the upgraded UTG panel, is unlikely to get a titanium frame. It may get a newer primary rear camera though. Both foldables will break cover at Samsung's next Unpacked in July.